This is the biggest explosive testimony that's coming in now. Surjit Singh Rathod now tells Republic Media Network when Rhea Chakrabarti was inside the mortuary where he had taken her at Cooper Hospital on that day, she uttered the words, "I am sorry, Babu." Was this an expression of guilt? Was this her way of saying that she was trying to compensate for something? What was Rhea sorry about? I have with me on the show Shreya Narayanan, actor, Swapnil Kothari, lawyer, Savio Rodrigues, chief editor of Goa Chronicles, Priyanka Tebrewal, lawyer, Binay Singh, political analyst. Swapnil, why the sorry admission to the only man, the star witness in this case, whom the police has disregarded, not taken his complaint into record, who was in the mortuary with her, who firsthand heard her say the very strange words, "I am sorry, Babu"?
Rhythm, I think this pretty much reveals in a way that Rhea is in somewhere involved and feels sorry for the death of Sushant Singh. Now, whether she is directly connected with the murder or not is for the CBI to investigate, or even if she's an accessory after the fact in any form, which I don't think so, because if she's left the house at 8th June itself, then, the murder having taken place on the 13th night, 14th morning, she may be accessory before the fact or actually complicit with the murder or even accessory after the fact. One does not know. But this is to be investigated. But I'm sure somewhere she feels guilty for having siphoned off his money and in somewhere knowing that he was going to be bumped off. So that is something which I would, as a CBI investigating officer, I would grill this lady and I would, want to take her into custodial interrogation in the first place, arrest her, because that is the best way to go about it, and, take her into remand for 7 days or 14 days or so. So, that will be the best thing for her to do. And then the second aspect would be for, to take Sandeep Singh into custodial arrest, into custody, because I had said that yesterday also when I saw those 4 or 5 Cooper hospital clips. And even earlier when he had come on Arnab's interview, at that time I had said that this gentleman needs to be, taken into custodial interrogation. Otherwise, because he's definitely hiding something, he knows a lot. And the way he was talking, it was very clear that he was lying through his teeth. And Arnab had absolutely caught him there, and thereafter he's never showed his face anywhere. Now, after having said that, yesterday was one of the biggest clinchers where his thumbs up is there to the police. There are two things, Rhythm, that I want to bring to the attention of the viewers, and also want the Republic TV to, the cop to whom this man is waving is putting up a thumbs up. You need to check out with this cop also as to what that cop was up to. You need to interrogate if you can get that, because I'm sure there are some cops who are a little bit
it's not like you've said, and I also want to. Yes, Swapnil, it's not only about this, but the bigger cover-up. Contrasted, Priyanka, I come to you with the 25th February phone call that was made, and the family was communicated Sushant Singh Rajput's life is under threat. Nothing was done. And now there is a testimony that is there, an official complaint that Republic Media Network has accessed, Priyanka, yet nothing is done. And this man goes on record. I've gone through the complaint myself. It clearly says she said, "I'm sorry, Babu." It clearly says that there was some call that was made. It clearly says Sandeep Singh had at that time given a thumbs up sign, and there was a 3-star officer he was speaking with. Why has no action been taken? And first, what was this expression, "I am sorry, Babu," all about, Priyanka?
See, the less or the least we speak about Mumbai police is the need of the hour, because we already have seen and witnessed that Mumbai police has done nothing, and that is the reason which was understood by the court also, and the investigation has been given to the CBI. Now see, most of the testimonies, Rhythm, which we are seeing are integrating now. There are humongous evidences which are enough material to prove that the role of Rhea Chakrabarti has been suspicious. It is suspicious. It is 101% questionable, because there are various factors which will point towards it, and we are very, very sure that there is something involved. She is somewhere or the other involved in the murder of Sushant Singh Rajput. I will 100% call it a murder. It is a murder, and which will be proved soon. See, I do not understand why was she so sorry about. Was it the manipulation which she had done? Was it the financial irregularities which have come up now? Or was it the narrative of depression for which she had been giving drugs to Sushant Singh? in the name of medicines. We do not know why was she so sorry about.